Cotton is a soft, staple fiber that grows in a protective capsule known as bole around the seeds of cotton plant. It is a seed fiber. Cotton is called king of the textile fibers. The fiber is spun into yarn and used to make soft, breathable textile, which is the most widely used form of textile for clothing. Cotton is used mainly for apparel as well as for home and furnishing textiles. Chemical composition of cotton fiber. The main component of cotton is cellulose, though the precise proportion varies with the source of cotton and the growing condition. An average composition by percentage of dry cotton fiber is presented in following table. Cellulose 94%, protein 1.3%, pectin substance 0.9%, mineral matter 1.2%, wax 0.6%, malic, citric and other organic acid 0.8%, total sugar 0.3% and others 0.9%, total 100%.